Welcome to our channel. Before diving into the review, please note that the link to purchase the Lian LANCOOL 217 INF Infinity Mirror Computer Case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This mid-tower ATX case is a standout choice for PC builders who want both style and performance. The LANCOOL 217 INF features a striking tempered glass infinity mirror front panel, which is brilliantly illuminated by two large 170mm ARGB fans. These fans not only provide an eye-catching visual effect, but also contribute significantly to the airflow, keeping your components cool under load. Included with the case are three pre-installed ARGB fans, two 170mm in the front and one 140mm at the rear, ensuring excellent ventilation right out of the box. The dynamic lighting can be easily controlled using the relocatable I/O module, which can be mounted either at the top or bottom of the chassis, depending on your setup preference. This module includes dedicated buttons for toggling front panel lighting and ARGB fan effects, making customization straightforward without needing additional software. Another thoughtful feature is the dual PSU mounting orientation, allowing users to install power supplies up to 220mm in length either at the bottom or top of the case. This flexibility aids in better cable management and overall build aesthetics. The precision-cut intake openings are designed to optimize airflow while maintaining a clean and sleek exterior. On the pros side, the LANCOOL 217 INF impresses with its stunning infinity mirror design paired with vibrant ARGB lighting, excellent pre-installed cooling, and versatile I/O placement. It's perfect for gamers and enthusiasts who want their PC to look as good as it performs. Additionally, the case supports a variety of component sizes and offers great airflow without sacrificing style. As for cons, the tempered glass front panel, while visually appealing, may require regular cleaning to maintain its pristine look as it can easily show fingerprints and dust. Also, users looking for extensive water cooling support might find the case somewhat limited in radiator size options compared to some high-end cases. Overall, the Lian LANCOOL 217 INF is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a mid-tower case that balances aesthetics, cooling, and functionality. Don't forget, the link to grab this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out and elevate your PC build today.